Want a quick way to add cinematic black bars to your video in Premiere Pro? Then stay tuned. Wayne here with GeeksPulse, helping you create videos on demand quickly, easily, and impactful. Now if you're new to this channel, consider subscribing. Let's get started. So we have the video that is moved over to the timeline. What you have to do is click this new item, select adjustment layer, press OK, drag and drop over the video, click on effects, search for crop, drag and drop over the adjustment layer. You'll see this appear on the left hand side, and all you have to do is just hit 10 and you can already see on the right hand side the black bar is formed. Go back to the bottom, click 10, and there you have it. That's all it is. Now some people, as a bonus, some people want to learn how to animate the black bars, and we can do that too. So what I will do is maybe go to about 3 seconds. Okay, and I'm just going to select or toggle the animation for both the top and bottom. Go back to the start of the timeline, hit reset parameters. Alright, select ease out, ease in, ease out, and ease in, and there you have it. The black bars are formed. Thank you for watching this video. Let me know in the comment section below if this was helpful. Now if you want to learn more about creating videos, click the link below in the description and sign up for free. And if you have any further questions, please let me know.